the legendary party island that captures hearts and ignites spirits. But hold on tight, because there's so much more to this sun-kissed paradise than meets the eye. Beyond the pulsating beats and electrifying clubs lies a world of delights waiting to be discovered. Welcome to Toorysm, your passport to breathtaking travel destinations and unforgettable adventures. Picture yourself basking on stunning beaches, savoring mouth-watering seafood, and marveling at the rugged beauty of the landscape. Ibiza is a symphony of experiences, offering everything from lazy beach days to all-night revelries. It's a place where dreams come alive, where every corner holds a new adventure. Welcome to Ibiza Wonderland that will steal your heart and leave you breathless. Number 9. Cala d'Or. Step onto the sandy shores of a beach that whispers secrets and holds the power to make dreams come true. Welcome to a mystical oasis overlooking the enigmatic Es Vedrà. They say that if you cast your wishes upon this captivating limestone rock, they have a way of manifesting into reality. So choose your desires wisely, for magic dances in the air. As the sun begins its descent, settle into a cozy spot and witness a sunset spectacle that will steal your breath away. Watch anew as the golden rays paint a mesmerizing canvas, casting dramatic shadows upon Es Vedra's majestic form. Prepare to be enchanted by one of the island's most bewitching moments. Number 8. The Northeastern Beaches. Escape the bustling crowds and embark on a coastal adventure to discover Ibiza's hidden gems. Just a short drive away, the Northeast beckons with a string of serene beaches awaiting your arrival. Dive into tranquility as you set foot on these untouched shores with crystal-clear waters, where time slows down and worries melt away. Begin your journey at Playa Cala Characa, where a stone pier invites you to bask in pure bliss. Continue your quest to the rocky haven of Playa de la Cueva Port Inox, a secret oasis for the intrepid explorer. Finally, indulge in the soft sands of Cala d'Ensera, where relaxation becomes an art form. Unwind, hop between these coastal havens, and experience the true essence of paradise on Ibiza's secluded shores. Number 7. Barinus Beach. Embrace the vibrant spirit of Ibiza and immerse yourself in a captivating hippie ceremony like no other. Every Sunday at the enchanting Barinus Beach, an extraordinary gathering unfolds as the sun begins its descent. Prepare to be swept away by the golden hues and rhythmic beats that fill the air. Locals and wanderers unite on this expansive sandy bay, eagerly awaiting the magical spectacle. Join the joyous dance, feel the pulsating energy, and let your soul be uplifted by the rhythmic drumming ritual. As the sun dips below the horizon, become part of the harmonious chant that echoes across the beach. For an unforgettable Sunday night, surrender to the enchantment of Barinus Beach and let the hippie vibes transport you to a world of pure bliss. Number 6. Cala Saladeta. Just a short drive away, this coastal paradise is within reach. Trust your trusty internet map to guide you to a shaded parking spot nestled in the enchanting forest. From there, embark on an exhilarating hike down steep steps that lead you to the water's edge. Cala Salada beckons with its picturesque charm, but don't stop there. Lace up your trainers and navigate the rocks to unveil the true gem. Cala Saladeta, a tranquil and breathtaking haven. Unwind in its serenity, bask in the sun's warm embrace, and let the crystal-clear waters wash away your worries. With every step, immerse yourself in the beauty that awaits you and create unforgettable memories at this captivating rocky beach. Number 5. Dolfila. Don't miss out on the ultimate Ibiza experience by skipping a leisurely morning. And why not an enchanting evening too? Wandering through the labyrinthine cobblestone streets of Ibiza's Old Town. As you pass through the gate, a world of wonders awaits in Dolfila. Behold the gleaming whitewashed facades, adorned with vibrant blooms and towering cacti, all commanding a breathtaking view of the coastline and the bustling city below. It's a sight that demands to be captured, so be sure to bring your camera and immortalize these picture-perfect moments. Prepare to be captivated by the charm of this historical center, a true jewel of Ibiza. Number 4. Fish Shack. Take on a culinary adventure to the farthest reaches of Talamanca Beach, where an extraordinary seafood haven awaits. Prepare to be dazzled by the freshest catch in all of Ibiza at the legendary Fish Shack. This hidden gem eschews traditional menus and fancy chalkboards in favor of a simple, rustic setup adorned with colorful parasols, plastic chairs, and tables. As you settle into your seat, The attentive waitstaff will personally share the day's abundant catch, each dish lovingly prepared with potatoes, salad, and a generous drizzle of luscious olive oil. Brace your taste buds for a symphony of flavors that will leave you craving more. Don't let this culinary delight slip through your fingers. A seafood feast at Fish Shack is an absolute must for every Ibiza adventurer. Number 3. Café del Mar. Step into the iconic sunset haven that has been perfecting sundowners since 1980. Prepare to be enchanted by an Ibiza legend that knows how to set the scene for an unforgettable evening. Tucked away from the bustling main strip of Sant Antoni, this beach bar radiates a laid-back vibe, offering refreshing libations, heavenly beats, and breathtaking vistas. Arrive early. Doors swing open at 4 p.m. to secure a coveted seat with panoramic views and a shot at making your way to the bar. With every sip and every moment, immerse yourself in the magic of the sunset as the sky transforms into a vibrant canvas of colors. Don't miss out on the quintessential sunset experience. This beach bar is your gateway to pure bliss. Number 2. Paloma. Paloma, a hidden gem that has been delighting taste buds since 2004, invites you to experience a culinary adventure like no other. Step away from the traditional tapas joints and seaside seafood spots, and immerse yourself in the flavors of homemade Mediterranean cuisine crafted with vibrant local ingredients. As the sun sets, indulge in a dining experience under the sparkling night sky, where you may just find yourself rubbing shoulders with a few holidaying celebrities. Paloma is the perfect blend of relaxation and gastronomic bliss, offering a refreshing and wholesome escape from the ordinary. Number 1. Formentera. Formentera, the glamorous sister of Ibiza, beckons you to explore its sun-kissed shores just a short ferry ride away. If you're an Ibiza aficionado or have a few extra days to spare, don't miss the chance to hop on a ferry and immerse yourself in the blissful charm of Formentera. As the smallest of the Balearic Islands, it boasts the same breathtaking beaches that made Ibiza famous, but with a more relaxed and laid-back vibe. Leave behind the party scene and find your zen on Formentera's tranquil shores. Whether you've danced the night away in Ibiza or sought pure serenity, Formentera offers the perfect escape to unwind and embrace the true essence of island life. Ibiza, where the party and fun never stop. Take a step into it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Toorysm today and let the world unfold before your eyes.